And now in a huge relief to senior Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi refused to take cognizance of a complaint by the Enforcement Directorate in the National Herald case. Special Judge Vishal Gogne said that the Central Probe Agency's complaint filed under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act is not maintainable. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, over to you.
Well, absolutely. It's a big relief to Gandhis in the National Herald case. And this update is from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, where Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, the Delhi court, has refused to take the cognizance of the prosecution complaint, the charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate in the National Herald case. And what the judge said, Special Judge Vishal Gogne, what he said is important here in the National Herald case. And the Special Judge PC Act Vishal Gogne of the Rouse Avenue Court has said, and for our viewers, I'm going to read that. And he said that the complaint filed by the Enforcement Directorate under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the PMLA Act, the stringent charges sections leveled by charges pressed by the Enforcement Directorate against Gandhis and others in this National Herald case. So according to the judge, they are not maintainable. The court said the charges are not maintainable. Why? And why is it so? Why is it so? The judges further said that they are not maintainable because it is based on the private complaint filed by Subramanian Swamy and not on first information report. Now this becomes very important here. The court has said that this particular charge sheet, the prosecution complaint, is not maintainable. Reason being that it's filed based on a private complaint by Subramanian Swamy and not based on the FIR. And if I talk about the accused in this particular National Herald case, because it's lots of discussion happened on this National Herald case and alleged role of Gandhis, and the prosecution complaint, the charge sheet alleged Gandhis of certain sections, violating certain sections of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And apart from Gandhis, Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda, Young Indian and Sunil Bhandari were also made accused by the Enforcement Directorate in this particular case. Now that the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has refused to take cognizance in this particular case, it's a big relief to Gandhi from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. And I also want to add on a few more details to what the court has said. Here the court said that ED may continue the further investigation in this case. So on one hand, the court has refused to take cognizance at this stage because it's the complaint, the prosecution, the complaint was a private member complaint, not based, the investigation was not based on an FIR. But on the other hand, in the National Herald case, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has said that ED may continue its further investigation. And the court said the cognizance cannot be taken at this stage as ED cases based on private complaint and the magistrate's summons order and not on any FIR. So in a way, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has given relief to Gandhis and said that this particular prosecution complaint was not based on the FIR. But what is one more thing I want to add on here is, and from
all right, Sambhav, thanks for joining me. Now, in the latest updates coming from MEA,